G'day folks, and welcome back to the Vinny G channel. I'm not a machinist by in any way, shape or form. This is a hobby. All my lessons have been on the internet. The tutorials have been done through YouTube and stuff like that, so that's where I gained all this knowledge from. So anyway, here's my dial indicator. I've dialed this in roughly to within, I don't know, 5/100ths of a mil. That's it. Okay, so what I've got here is a 2.5 mil drill bit. I've got 28 mil thickness on the block. So technically the center point of this block is at 14 mil, but you have to add the drill bit diameter to the equation. So 2.5 divided into 2 is 1.25. So to get the center of this block, it's 14 plus 1.25 equals 15.2 by 2, and that should give you the center. So here we go, on with the show. Shut me mouth. We're going to try it and give it a quick measure, and then we'll keep going. Okay, so I don't want to remove it from the vise because then I lose all my coordinates. Alright, 4 5/100ths of a mil. And then I'll explain to you a little bit about the mill and the safeguards of overshooting the same cut, because machining is very repetitive work until you get to the point. You just can't cut a 5 mil deep slot by 4 mil wide into a piece of steel. And do another measurement. As long as I'm close to, like I've stated before, 5 mils, I'll be damn happy. Pick up and catch the rag before it hits the ground. And that should technically be it. That's the slot done. I hope you can see that. I'll just adjust the camera. That's the slot done there. I use the cheap Chinese end mills to cut that slot in. And how I got the repetitive end point to here is these machines are quite well, there's a lot of thought that goes into the machine when they're built. They have these little stops here, you know, so you just regulate that. When that hits the stop here on the side, that's where you're stopping. You're not going any further, and that's how you get your repetitive. Okay. Using the oral air hose. Tastes like crap. That's what the slot looks like, I guess you could say. You know, that's where the roll pins are going to go in there. I've got to drill them through, and that's going to hold a frame, and it should be all good. Here is the end result. The slot where my hand is, that's 5 mil. The slot I've just cut in is 4 mil. I'll be able to work with that. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this result, as you can see. And little cheap Chinese mill once again.